latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Princess Harry and Meghan Markle shocked everyone with their sudden decision to retire from their royal duties a few months back. While the two of them are living a quiet life away from the hustle, now there is someone else bearing the brunt of a larger workload. Kate Middleton and Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge. As per the latest reports, she's exhausted and trapped after Princess Harry and Meghan Markle's retirement from the royal family. It is revealed that the latter has been working as a CEO without any benefit of boundaries or holidays. The coronavirus pandemic has also hampered her normal life, and she has taken the responsibility of the same by keeping in mind the fact that her credo is duty. It looks like Kate Middleton has been facing these issues even before the pandemic affected the entire world. According to reports, it is believed that the Duchess of Cambridge has been involved in royal schedules in a single month. Amid all the crisis, Kate and Prince William have decided to keep children together during coronavirus crisis, which has hit almost every part of the world. However, Middleton has also been relatively open about the hardship she's experienced while homeschooling her children Princess Charlotte and Prince George. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, the ex-royal couple, is currently residing in California at a luxurious mansion owned by Tyler Perry. The ex-royal couple chose to come out of the royal family to have financial independence. Later, they did sought the ability to earn their own income and pursue their own private charitable interests. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic has put their business and work on hold. Royal fans will have to wait to know what are the updates.